iPhone users can officially record calls on iPhones with transcribed conversations since the release of iOS 18 in 2024. In iOS 26, Apple changed the design of starting to record calls on iPhones. Ensure that your call recording is enabled from the settings. Launch the Settings app on iPhone. Scroll to Apps and again scroll to Phone. Find the call recording toggle and enable it. If it's not showing, check whether you are leaving out of the restricted countries, which are updated in the video description. Go back and dial a call from the phone app, or you can record incoming calls. Here I am getting a call in banner-style layout as you accept the call. Tap on the three dots icon and tap on Call Recording to instantly record a phone call. In the second case, you are on the lock screen or full screen style. You can accept the call or dial a call. Tap on the More options. Tap on the Call Recording option to start recording. After playing the audio prompt announcement, the recording of a phone call automatically starts. Until you end the call or stop recording using this stop button, and the recording will save to the Notes app. Under the main screen, tap the Call Recordings folder and see all call recordings with saved contact names. When we play audio in the Notes app, we can play and read the transcript if available. For the supported countries, updated list is available in the video description. In addition, to share with your friends and family via AirDrop or the social app, find the Share Audio option under the More option to share it with your friends. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Post your questions in the comment box. And please like, share, and subscribe if found this helpful.